Before we start this video, go check out my online store and get your JDI merch today. We have hoodies, we have t-shirts, and we even have socks. Yes, you guys, we have socks to keep your feet warm. Listen, man, go check out my online store and get your JDI merch today. Link is in the description.
My diamonds is changing the forecast. I just woke up in Dior tags. Walk in the store in Dior splash. We getting chicken like DoorDash. Remember I couldn't afford that.
Bro, do y'all see him? Like, how are you stuck in the snow with a quad like this, bro? Bro, hold on. Bro, you gotta get it to right there.
Yeah, get on it. I'll push you out of it.
Nah, just pull it. You get it to right here. Ready?
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, shit. You said right here?
Keep pulling it. Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, you should be good. Go faster! Oh my God. Let me see.
You have to ride it, bro. I'll push you.
What is good about YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog, you guys. We are outside right now on the quads. How y'all doing? Woo, woo. We outside with it. What's good, bro? Woo, woo. Oh, woo. Woo. It's crazy. We outside though. Y'all don't know about Oh, we outside for sure. Oh God. Chill. Oh. Wow. Oh. Go ahead, dudes! Oh, go crazy! Oh! Oh! Both the LTZs in traffic in the intersection, y'all. We lit. We outside though, no cap. Oh, he's in the side by side. Ah! Oh, we gotta follow him. Oh, we gotta follow him. Whoa, whoa, oh. Look at that stuff going crazy. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Yo, he was tweaking in that side by side. He went right by you. He was in the RZR. Bro, he was gone, bro. right, we about to put some gas in this real quick. We are on pump number 5. Let's get it. Dang. Let's put 4 in there. All right, thank you. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Dang, everybody getting stuck in the snow and everything. Let's see if we can help son out though, for sure. Gas up real quick. This joint have no gas in it. We don't want to get stuck nowhere. You didn't even hold, my hands is freezing. Hold on.
We almost got it.
What is this, front wheel drive?
It ran out of gas.
Oh, he ran out of gas as soon as he got here. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let's let it rock.
Ready? There we go. There we go. There we go. Keep going. Keep that momentum. All right.
What size yacht?
Man, you ran out as soon as you got here, bro.
I ran out trying to get out of there.
Out of here. Oh.
I'm out there spinning. I just
Damn.
turned, yeah. Don't wrap it around a telephone pole, all right?
Huh?
So don't wrap it around a telephone pole, all right?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, all right, there we go. Let's keep her going. Woo. We almost there. Let's go. Ah, right there. We good. Big flex. All right, let's go, y'all. We back on the bikes.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go. I don't know. Woo. Watch out! Watch out! Intersection really well. We ain't trying to run into no cars now. Right in front of me. He split out! Yo, I ain't gonna lie, we was killing it back there though, for sure. Hold on, let's slow down, slow down. Oh, my son stuck in that joint. My hands is cold, but we in traffic. Y'all know the vibes. Make sure y'all smash the like button on this video, because y'all know we lit. No cap. Yo, my hands is cold. We outside with it for sure. Look at the car. Woo! They don't want to chase us through this, cause honestly, we getting low for sure. Oh! Oh! Look at the Christmas tree. Hey!